Hi everyone, welcome to Pure Bota Market. Today we will learn supermarket easy English sentences. Let's go inside and do some grocery shopping together. I am getting a clean shopping cart. I am getting a clean shopping cart.
Look at this fresh red tomato. Look at this fresh red tomato. This fresh bread smells amazing. This fresh bread smells amazing. This avocado feels nice and ripe. This avocado feels nice and ripe.
I pick fresh fruits. I pick fresh fruits.
Cereal.
I reach for the cereal box. I reach for the cereal box. I compare the two products. I compare the two products. I am picking fresh broccoli. I am picking fresh broccoli. I put the broccoli in my cart. I put the broccoli in my cart. I put the eggs in my cart. I put the eggs in my cart. I take a bottle of cold milk. I take a bottle of cold milk. I want to buy some potato chips. I want to buy some potato chips.
I lift the bag of rice. I lift the bag of rice.
I am waiting in line for my turn. I am waiting in line for my turn. The cashier is scanning my groceries. The cashier is scanning my groceries. I tap my card to make a payment. I tap my card to make a payment. I receive my receipt. I receive my receipt. The cashier packs all my grocery items. The cashier packs all my grocery items. I return my cart. I return my cart. I leave the supermarket. I leave the supermarket. I place the grocery bags in my car trunk. I am placing in my car trunk. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.